what's up guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my channel. Ang balay-balay sa tanong kay mag-color-color yung tas ng mo. So, for today's video, since most of the people are just staying at home because of this pandemic, and then people tend to be bored because kalayra sa balay magtuan, di ba? So, they find different activities to make themselves entertain with this quarantine. And then that's why ang uban ga plans, di ba? Maka ang diha. Awan pod ga K-drama, diba? Shout out sa mga nagtan og K-drama. And then uwan pod kay vlog. Vlog kay Wilingaw. And then uwan pod kay sige pa-color sa ilang mga buhok. And there's no wrong doing those activities because that's their own different ways on how to deal this pandemic, because you try to think on a positive way than into a negative way. So we should need to take care of our mental health also during these times. So that's why our title for this video is all about how to achieve a gray hair color during this quarantine. Now, if ma-achieve na to ang gray hair color, basig expectation versus reality. So, di na ta ma-expect og too much because in the parlor, so in the mga kuan hair mga shop, so moabot gyud sa mga 1k imong magasto para magpa gray hair color. But now, so we'll just do it DIY, do it yourself, and then let's see if ma-achieve na natin. Okay, but before that, I will introduce first all the hair products that I am going to use or to apply on my hair, because later on I will just fast forward the video kay dili na igo atong storage. So for the first step, you will undergo first bleaching process. So on the bleaching process, of course, you need bleaching powder. So this one, I ordered this one from Shopee. This is the sobra ka sa akong buhok. This is for 35 pesos only. This is Brimod, yeah. And then together with this bleaching powder, you need oxidizer lotion. But when I went to Trendy, wala naman sila 12%, kay kini 9%, and then I just bought the big one. Daghan po niyo gamit ani sa balay. Then makasave ka because this one cost for 20 pesos, and then this is only 100 ml. And then this one is 1000 ml, and then this is just cost for 125 pesos. So mas makales ka ani kuntay sa kini. So these are Epsa oxidizing solution. So we are going to use the 12% to really achieve the gray hair color. Then for the step 2, so you need toning. So for toning, I'm using Epsa 00 white. Epsa 00 white. So the purpose of toning is to tone your hair. Yeah, the purpose of toning kanang para mas mo whiten imong buhok, because the bleaching ipa white man ang buhok pero dili man kay sa ma-achieve kayo, mura pa man siya yellow. So that's why, because of this 00 white, murag matone down ang imong hair. That's why murag mo white siya. Then that's the time nga mas kusog mo absorb ang gray color or any hair color na imong gusto para ma-achieve gud siya. So I'm using this 00 white from Epsa together with this 12% solution gihapon. So pair gihapon siya. So mas makalas gyud akong kini imong gamiton. And for the third and last step is of course the hair coloring, di ba? So for my hair color, I am using this Epsa 019. Epsa 019 ash. Baliktad siya nung kay naka-mirror on siya. Epsa 019 ash, because sige balik-balik sa trendy, permitted sila mahutdan og kuan ash nga color, ash blonde or nani nga color. But pag aton sa akong mother, di ba no? Nakakita siya og ash 019 ash. So let's see if this will work. Tige atong tanaw. Okay, but before I apply my hair color, so I need to cut my hair first to the barber shop because taas na ang buhok no, and then black na tubo sa akong buhok kay taas na kayo. So I'll be going to Corain's barbershop before so I'll be back later after ko magpa haircut. So see you later.
A few moments later.
So we're done having our haircut. So as you can see, di ba ninipis na nakagis-kagis, oh, di ba? So this time, let's apply the hair color if ma-achieve ba nato ni nga color.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Okay, so we're done toning our hair, and then as you can see, so medyo white na gud siya, no? Alaska ka no? Okay. So, gi-rest po na ko siya 1 hour because medyo katol siya sa ako, ano? Aming patakan, di ba? So, for this time, we will go to the last part, which is the hair coloring our hair, which is the ash color. So, see you later. Okay, so we're done putting the hair color, and then we will just wait for 30 minutes because medyo katol na siya sa bagol-bagol, no? And then I'll just update you later for the result. See you later.
A few moments later.
So that's the result of our hair color experiment. And then as I said earlier that we cannot expect too much because it's just DIY compared to the hair shop or parlor. And for the result, so far I like the result because there's gray, there's white, there's a little bit gold, and then it's like a three-tone combination color. Not bad for very affordable price than mo to ka sa mga salon or sa mga shop. Kay mas mahal to, mas makasave ka if you do it DIY. Okay, so before I end this video, let me shout out these people who comment there in the comment section. So shout out to Lovins May Pamat and Josdan Agmata. So and also special thanks also to LV Maghilong Bahaw for helping me to achieve this color. And if you learn some tips on how to do your hair color, especially this quarantine time, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye!